right, guys, this is Angie. This is my dad, Chuck. He's 87. He'll be 88 in May. And he's going to run you through a 10-minute routine. Our microphones weren't working, so I understand the audio might be off. So I have to figure out the microphone. So you want to introduce yourself?
Hello, I am Chuck Foster, and this is my daughter, and she got me into exercising other than just walking and lifting a few light weights and stuff like that. So here we go on a new expedition.
Okay, today I'm using the Timer Boss. We're doing this at Dad's house. We're going to do 5 exercises, and each exercise is 2 minutes. So we're going to start with the health bounce. Oh, let's get the timer on. And give me a second. And this is the health boss, and here we go. Dad's doing the health bounce. His feet are hip width apart. He has a slight bend in his knee, and he's just pressing down into the mat. This is great for lymphatic detox, digestive health, and it's a great way to wake up the lymphatic system. Dad has a choice to hold on to the bars depending on how he's feeling. I know sometimes he has vestibular ear issues where he feels off balance. So this is where the ACON comes in really handy, this extra wide handlebar. It's better than the T-shaped bars. And it is a cold week in Tennessee. So Dad likes to walk 1 mile a day, and he hasn't been able to because it's cold for all of us. So this is where the rebounder comes in really handy. How are you feeling, Dad?
Good so far. Legs are pretty strong.
Again, we're just slight bend in the knees. We're focusing on pressing down into the mat. You don't ever have to take your feet off the rebounder. And then when your balance gets better, you may try taking both hands off the handlebar for a minute. And then when you need to, you can put, you could see where your balance is going like Dad. And if he feels he needs to put his hand back on the handlebar, he will put his hand. All right, so after this, Dad, we're just gonna march. Like high knees, you don't have to go fast. Think about picking your knees up because it works your core. Do you feel that?
I do.
And you're working on balance when you pause for a little bit. So it's not about how fast you lift your knees and go down, because when you lift, look how you're balancing. So it's like a lift and a pause and a lower. Lift and a pause and a lower. You're going to feel your core working. You're also working your balance. So I call this like a march balance, because as we get older, we always want to work on balance, right? And this is a good way to incorporate balance and the march. So when you feel it's appropriate for your body, you would, and you're comfortable with this, you would then begin to just take one hand off while you're doing this, and then you would kind of see where your balance is. Like Dad is doing. He's pausing at the top. Yeah, do you feel that? So it's going to get, like you see with Dad, it's going to put you off center, but that's where we're working tons of stabilizing muscles, and we're working on that balance. I know you can feel it. You feel it, your core has to lift, and basically balancing on one leg. That's a lot of balance. And we're not going fast. We're going at a pace that you can maintain. It's not about how fast you go. You want to do these 5 exercises, and you don't want to feel depleted of energy. You want to feel good, so it's not about rushing. Yeah, and then you can try your other hand. All right, so our next exercise is going to be a big step touch side to side. So you're going to just, yeah, it's like, yep. So right here, when we're doing this exercise, it's lateral movement because in our everyday, we're walking front, we're walking back. But how often do you do that side to side? And that's a lot of balance in that side to side. And as we get older, we lose this lateral ability, this ability to move side to side. So this is exercise 3 of 5. Can you feel that one? That you don't go side to side much?
It works a different set of
It's
muscles.
working the outside of your hips when you do that side to side. And then dad might not be there or you might not be there, but eventually you could try with one hand because that's going to increase that balance challenge if you only have one hand on the handlebar. We have 2 more exercises. Again, it's about moderate pacing. You don't want to fatigue your body. You don't want to be depleted of energy the rest of the day. You want to feel really good and energized after your workout. You could do this particular video 2 times a day, once in the morning and once late afternoon. All right, our next exercise, you're going to hold on, you tap back. You just tap back. You're taking that leg, tap back, center. Tap back, feet together. So it's about tapping, no, only 1 foot at a time taps back. Tap back, come to center.
Forward.
Tap back, come to center.
Oh.
Tap back other leg, come to center. So
Okay.
yeah, what you're doing here is you're weight shifting back. You're working on balance from a backward position. Do you feel that, Dad?
I do.
Yeah, so remember, tap back, center, then your other foot. You switch, alternate. Tap back. So we're weight shifting here. As we get older, we don't weight shift a lot as well. And we're working on coordination. And you're going to feel the balance come in with that too. You feel that, Dad? You literally, because you're leaning back a little bit. You're leaning back, you're coming in. Because when you take that heel back, it makes you lean back. Lean back.
You get a little
and
bit
in.
used to it.
Yeah, like you take it's like you're just pressing your heel back, center, back,
Okay.
center, back, and
Feels
center.
better the more you do of them.
Yeah, well, you're also, the more like Dad's not used to doing all these movements with his body, so you are creating new like coordination patterns, body-mind connection. So you don't, it's more about the foot. It's not the lean back in the upper body. It's about just the foot just tapping back. It's about that foot tapping back. Now I'm going to challenge with one last one. Dad, you're going to take one leg. You're going to go out, step out, in. Same leg. Pick a leg. Out, in. Go wider. Pick one foot. Step wide out.
Mm-hmm.
Other leg wide out. Other leg wide out. So both. So you're going right leg out wide. Left leg out wide.
Okay.
Take it in to center. So right leg out wide, left leg out wide.
Okay.
So that's a coordination. So I'm going to come in here with him and I'm going to show him. So you're taking, I'm right here with him.
Okay.
So you take one leg out wide,
Yeah.
other leg out wide,
Okay.
in,
Okay.
out,
Okay.
out, in,
Out.
in.
Out.
So say
Out.
out, in, in, out, out, in, out, out, coordination balance, in and in.
I got it.
So you say out, out, in. So you're going to see as we progress with these videos, Dad's coordination, balance, proprioception is going to get better in time. That's okay if we're not there. He is creating new neural pathways with these body movements. So think, Dad, come in the center and go out, out, in, and in.
Okay.
Out. Say it to yourself. Out, out. No. Here, Dad, listen to this.
Okay.
Out. No, you're creating it. Out, out, in,
Okay.
out, out, in. You don't have to go so far. So you go out, out, in, out, out, in, and then just do the health bounce.
Yeah, got it.
Okay, just do the health bounce for me. Pressing down, and we're done. Let's finish with the health bounce. See, now what I was explaining to Dad, don't get frustrated. If you don't get it on the first time, I wouldn't expect you to, because your body is not used to working in those patterns. So the more we do it, the more your body is going to become used to that rhythm. So it's really like challenging that body-mind coordination, balance connection, which is good. This is what we want. So you're going to see Dad progress. You're going to see your movements progress in time. You're just going to focus on what you can do. You saw Dad didn't get frustrated. He just did it. And in time, you'll see the pattern getting smoother with your body. So just trust the process. All right. And we are done. So any final words? You got to speak loud.
Anything good's worth working for. Go for it.
Okay. All right, you guys. Hope you like this. We're going to do more. I'll get the microphones fixed. Don't worry. Bye.